Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Fab Fit Fun unboxing for winter. And this is one of my favorite subscriptions. It's tons of fun. If you've never joined or gotten a box, I have a promo code below that will save you money. So they always come with like this little booklet, and a lot of times it goes over the products, and it used to tell you how much every item was, but I don't think last time it did. So yeah, but sometimes there's like recipes in here or style ideas for maybe something you got. So it's pretty cool. Then we have some coupon codes. I think my code saves more than that, so I'll put my link below. Some little stickers. And then I did get to customize some of my items, but honestly, every time it gets here, I completely forget. So we'll see. HelloFresh, I have a coupon code for that. Sips By, I do subscribe to them. They're awesome. So yeah, a bunch of advertisements on top. So the first item, cranberry and apple probiotic repair. Interesting. So these are sheet masks made with apple, cranberry extract, vitamin C, prebiotics, probiotics. Interesting. Cute little box. Be good for regifting. And there are 3 of them in there. Very nice. Also have Wellness Made Easy Liquid IV. This must be the sample. Sometimes there's like a sample in here that comes with your box. So this is a hydration multiplier. So it gives you hydration and energy. And immune support, I believe. That's pretty cool. First item, oh, I do remember picking this. It's a Michael Kors beanie. Isn't that cute? And it's gray, so it goes with everything. I did get that. Also got a 4-piece silicone utensil set. You can see them there on the outside, but we'll take a peek. Seems like a massive box for some utensils. Those are nice. They're real thick. They're not real bendy. That's cute. Also have, is this a blanket? Unhide for love, not fur. Yeah, this is pretty. A little gray color. I don't really want to wrap it because there's not room, but I got a blanket. A lot of times in the winter boxes, there'll be blankets or a throw of some sort. Then I got Tula Skincare. This is a purifying face cleanser, which is awesome. I think I'm almost out of mine, so that's cool. And then we have Go Big or Go Home. This is by Kat Von D, and this is volumizing mascara. Awesome. And that might be it. Had a lot of big items in my box. Sometimes there's, you know, multiple things. Sometimes you get a little bit less depending on the value of your box, but it's always a great value, always packed with stuff I will definitely use. And again, if you guys want to subscribe, I'll put that promo code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.